Click on Create a new virtual machine to start the new virtual machine wizard. Choose Installer Disk Image File ISO and click Next. Select Linux as the guest operating system and choose latest Debian version. Enter a name for your virtual machine and choose a location to save it. Decide on the disk capacity for your virtual machine. Allocate enough space based on your requirements. Click Next and then Finish. Select your newly created virtual machine from the VMware dashboard and click Power on this virtual machine to start it. Select Graphical Install Method. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Kali Linux. Choose your preferred language, location, and keyboard layout. Enter the host name and click Continue. Enter the full name of the user and create a new user. Select Guided Use Entire Disk and proceed with the default settings unless you have specific partitioning requirements. You can customize it by choosing a different desktop environment or different collection of tools. When prompted, choose Yes to install the Grub bootloader to the master boot record MBR of your virtual hard disk, and select the device for bootloader installation. choose Continue to reboot. Upon rebooting, you'll be prompted to log in to your newly installed Kali Linux system. Enter the username and password you created during the installation process. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Kali Linux 2024.1. Hit that like button if you find our content helpful, and don't forget to share our videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.